On behalf of the government of the Czech Republic and the Czech companies, I would like to thank you, the organizers of IDEX 2021, for giving us a chance to be here after a long time, to be at the real trade show where we can meet the business partners and we can make very interesting discussions. We are really glad that the show could happen and that we brought about 20 Czech companies which were really satisfied with the business people they could meet here, and we believe that there will be a lot of successful contracts signed after this show. So thank you again for organizing the show, and we'll be looking forward to be here in 2023 again. Thank you.